Approximating to the nearest hundred. To approximate a number to the nearest hundred, follow these simple steps. So here we have our example 546. 1. Find the digit in the hundreds place. So 5 is in the hundreds place. 2. Then locate the tens digit. Now this digit is usually to the right of the hundreds digit. So our tens digit, our 4. Now if the tens digit is less than 5, the hundreds digit remains as is, and the tens and ones digits are replaced with zeros. So we saw 4, 4 is less than 5, so 5 in the hundreds place remain as 5, and the tens and one digits are replaced with zeros. So this means that 546 approximated to the nearest hundred is 500. Now to approximate a number to the nearest hundred, we are using another example. This time we have 564. So we go with our steps again. Find the digit in the hundreds position. So 5 again. Is 2. Locate the tens digit. Again, this digit is usually to the right of the hundreds digit. So that's our 6. Now, if the tens digit is 5 or more than 5, 1 is added to the hundreds digit, while the tens and ones digits are replaced with zeros. So here we see our 1 being added to that hundreds number since 6 is more than 5. So it becomes 600, where the tens and ones are replaced with zeros. So this means that 564 approximated to the nearest hundred is 600. More examples. Now approximate 724 to the nearest hundred. So we have our numbers, and here we have our place, value of each digit. Remember, we have to find our 100 digits. Alright, so we found our digit in the hundreds place, our 7. Now we find our number in tens place, so 2. Now determine if it's less than 5, 5 and more. So 2, the tens digit is 2. 2 is less than 5, so therefore the hundreds digit remains as is, and the tens and ones digits are replaced with zeros. So the number 724 approximated to the nearest hundred is 700. Another example. Approximate 2,392 to the nearest hundred. So again, we have a number with digits, our place value, each digit. So we find our number in hundreds position, and we find our number in the tens position. Now we have to determine that number in the tens position if it's less than 5 or 5 and more. So the tens digit is 9. 9 is more than 5, so therefore 1 is added to the hundreds digit, and the tens and ones digits are replaced with zeros. So now we have 400. So 1 added to that 3 becomes 400, and the tens and ones replaced with zeros. Now notice that the number in the thousands position, nothing was done to that. So those numbers in thousands remains the same, but focus here would be on the hundreds and tens if you're approximating to the nearest hundreds. So here we have the number 2392. Approximated to the nearest hundred is 2400. Now here's some practice for you. What is 1658 approximated to the nearest hundred? Few seconds. Your answer, the number 1658 approximated to the nearest hundred is 1700. Next one. What is 810 approximated to the nearest hundred? Few seconds. The number 810 approximated to the nearest hundred is 800. So there's some tips to remember. To approximate a number to the nearest hundred, follow these simple steps. 1. Find the digits in the hundreds position. 2. Then locate the tens digit. Now this digit is usually to the right of the hundreds digit. And note, if the tens digit is less than 5, the hundreds digit remains as is. The tens and ones digits are replaced with zeros. And if the tens digit is 5 or more, 1 is added to the hundreds digit, and the tens and ones digits again are replaced with zeros.